Say good morning. Say potato sack Finley. Say good morning, Finley. Say good morning. Oh, here's another potato sack. Potato sack Peyton. She went on her book. Oh, Finley's dancing for us. Finley's dancing. Back up a little bit so you can see both girls. It's January 27th, a Tuesday. And the girls just got up. And we're going to get ready for daycare. And Finley's dancing. Do you think they have enough toys?